Is your child starting school or already at primary school in Potsdam? Then they can attend the after-school care. There they play with other children and have a good time. A team of education professionals will support your child. The after-school care center offers projects, excursions, and many other activities. Your child can also attend the after-school care during school holidays. How do you find a childcare place in Potsdam? Visit the so-called Kita-Portal Potsdam. This is the central website of the city of Potsdam for kindergarten, after-school, and other types of daycare. You can find the link in the video text. How does the Kita-Portal Potsdam work? Visit the homepage. Do you just want to do some research? Then you don't need a user account yet. Enter the desired start date of care and your child's date of birth. You will then see suitable offers in Potsdam. Mark your favorites. Register in My Account at the top right with your details as a parent or guardian. Enter your email address and create a password. Under User Account, you can update your own details as a guardian. Enter your child's information under Child Data. Under My Selection, you will find your favorite facilities. There, you can apply directly for a care place for your child. Click Start Application and fill out the online form. We recommend that you contact your favorite facility in advance. They can tell you more about admission criteria, settling in, costs, and educational activities. Once your application has been submitted, your child will be placed on the waiting list of the facility. If a place is available, you will be notified via your user account under Messages. You can then sign a contract with the facility. If it does not work out, you will also receive a message. Who is entitled to a daycare place? All children from 1st to 4th grade have the right to after-school care in Potsdam, at least 4 hours a day. If you need more care for your child, for example if you are working or in training, you must submit an application. Or if your child is already in 5th or 6th grade. It is best to submit the application 6 to 8 weeks before the start of the care. If you live in Potsdam, but your chosen facility is outside of Potsdam or in Berlin, you must also submit an application for determination of the legal entitlement to childcare on the Kita-Portal. Detailed information can also be found under the Legal Entitlement menu item. What documents do you need? Depending on the individual case, you may need to submit additional documents, such as proof of custody or a certificate of your working hours or training. How much does the after-school care cost? The costs depend on how many hours your child is cared for and how much money you earn. Under certain circumstances, you may not have to pay an after-school fee at all. Do you have any questions? Call the Kita-Tip Childcare Placement Service of the City of Potsdam or send an email. You can find the contact details in the teletext. We at Frobel are also happy to assist you. Best of luck and a good start for your child.